Hey, Overland Travel Adventures. Today we're working on the BMW F850 GS and we're going to remove the stock foot pegs and replace them with the sweet, awesome Black Dog foot pegs. So I'll just show you, it's very easy. There is an E-clip, it's just a little clip on the bottom here of the pin that holds the foot peg in, and you just take that off with a pair of needle nose pliers, push that pin up. All right, so there's the E-clip, and then you're good to go. And Black Dog supplies you with 2 spare E-clips in case you mess this one up, but they just come right off pretty. There we go. Just, that worked. Just grab the E-clip from behind with your vice grips, give it a yank. Off it comes. Now this is under tension, so I'm going to hold it. Not very much. And then just work the pin out. Ta-da! And there's the spring. You're not going to use the spring or this bushing, so you can move those off to the side and then go get your Black Dog foot peg. Install it. This is the stock foot peg, spring pin, and then you've also got this E-clip. That's the E-clip. So that's what holds it on. That's where the foot peg attaches, right there. Very simple. This is an easy job. So I've got the spring, the long side sticks out, and you've got this little piece that comes with it. It's going to hold the spring and the foot peg. Just slide it in there. Should look something like this. So it has the pin, and then I'm just going to take the foot peg pin and it's going to slide and push this out. That's just there temporarily to hold it all in place. I'm just going to push the pin in. Pops this out. Easy. And I'll put the E-clip on. They supply some E-clips, so I'll just push those on. There we go. Voila. It says Black Dog Suckle Works on here. Pretty cool. It does come with these little screw-in things for traction, so I'll put those on just to show how that works. Comes with Loctite. Black Dog's really good at giving you everything you need, including the spare E-clips. Really nice little package. Okay, so I've got the Black Dog foot pegs installed, and now you can put on these additional traction pegs, and they're real easy. You just thumb screw them on there and then tighten them up with an Allen wrench, and you can see how much bigger the new Black Dog pegs are from the stock pegs. Almost double the size.